How to type in color on Discord. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool tool that allows you to type in all different colors, including rainbow or different patterns of color and backgrounds, things like that on Discord desktop and within the desktop browser. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the tool we're going to be using to do this is TextTrick.com. Full disclosure, I'm the creator of TextTrick.com. Check the description. I have a direct link down there. But once you get here, all you need to do is go into the top menu, select Discord color text, and it'll bring you to the generator. To get started, simply type the text here that you want to apply color to. Then just highlight the text that you want to change the color on. And if you select rainbow, that'll make it quickly rainbow. You can also select portions of it and change the colors that way, including the backgrounds of the text if you want to. As you can see, it'll give you a quick example of what it's going to look like on Discord here. But if you want to build custom sequences of different colors, like different patterns, you could do that here by just selecting the colors, then highlight the text you want in that pattern and select apply, and there you go. So once you're ready, select copy for Discord, open up a text channel in Discord, paste it and hit enter, and there you go. You'll now have your color text that you can put in your read-only section or just have fun posting on Discord. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.